So it is 11.
Can I bring him out?
Oh my goodness. Snoopy's missing some fur around his neck.
But his neck was fully furred.
Yeah.
It's just because I loved him so much that it became
Oh
that.
my gosh.
There we go.
Oh, poor teddy bear. Does teddy bear have a name? What's wrong with Bunny?
Can you show?
Can I see? Oh no. All right. Can I take a look? Oh yeah. Let's be.
It's really old, yeah. And some of the threads are coming.
More stuffing. All right. And he's missing some stuffing in the neck. Great. And
I have a piece of
Like the ribbon of color. That's what we were going to do ourselves, but then I wouldn't know how to do it.
Oh my goodness.
so Bunny just needs a little bit of love here on the
Oh,
ear.
that's very easy to do. Need to put back his head.
The dog. Yeah, how many fingers?
I like this brush.
Look at how fat he is.
We're trying to fix him so he'll sit. Does he sit? Usually.
He's gonna sit now.
Oh, well, it's just so lovely to have a hobby that you can share with people. And I think when you see people's faces after you've given them, or you've repaired something, especially if it's sentimental, it's the greatest feeling. It really is. You know, we just want to make sure that things don't land up in the landfill.
Start with something that I usually more.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And now she can sit because before.
Before you get
Thank you. Thank you.